Hello and welcome to a Say update video. Like always, first of all, we are going to take a look to the 3 days chart and then change to the shorter time frame. So in the daily chart, we have two possibilities to count the chart. One is a 3-wave move, one is a 5-wave move. Like always, we are going to start with the 5-wave move. So we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in our first wave 1. Then the WXY correction in the wave 2. So we are tracking bullish wise wave 3 to the upside as a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Target area starts at the 161% level at $1.70, extending to the 261% level at $2.68. Bearish wise, are we tracking a 3-wave move to the upside, ABC in our first wave A, then also a WXY correction but in the wave B. And we are tracking a wave C to the upside, but also as a 5-wave move. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ideal target for the wave C is the 100% level at $1.10, extending to the 123% level at $1.33. So let me switch to the shorter time frame. So in the shorter time frame, we also have two possibilities. One as an ABC structure, ABC in our first wave 1 here in yellow, or as a 5-wave move or a double 1-2 setup, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we are still looking for a low in this yellow wave 2 or in this red wave 2, like I said, or in the 3-wave move or in the 5-wave move. So let me start where we ended the past video. So in the past video, we had the possibility to end this correction right here and start a potential 5-wave move to the upside. So we had a 5-wave move microstructure here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and the potential wave 5. So we had the support area. But yeah, I mean, we got a little pullback to the upside, but we didn't saw another high, and then saw again a pullback to the downside. So we didn't got a 5-wave move to the upside, so I need to remove it from the chart. But we also had this bearish count. I would talk about it in a second. Yeah, like I said, I removed this 5-wave move count to the upside and add something new, bullish wise, so that we can count this move to the upside as a 5-wave move. It would be like that: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 in our superior wave 1. Then a wave 2 correction here in orange. So we might be in this wave 3 here. It's the target area correct, yes. Starting at the 161% level at $41, extending to the 261% level at 41 cents, sorry, extending to the 261% level at 50 cents. Then a correction in the wave 4. And then again a move to the upside in the wave 5 in our second target area, because we are, or the next bigger move to the upside would be in this wave 3 in yellow or here in red. Like I said, we have a possibility in the 3-wave move or in the 5-wave move. So ideal target for the wave 3 here in yellow, because it would be an ABC structure, and the ideal target for the wave C is the 100% level at 43 cents, extending to the 261% level at 95 cents. But I'm not optimistic about this potential 5-wave move to the upside or this count to the upside, because for me it's more like a 3-wave move, like an A, B, C structure. So yeah, my preferred case would be short-term bearish wise, like we had in the past video. It was this WXY XZ here in blue, WXY X and Z. From the X to the Z, probably an ABC structure. Well, it looks like an ABC. So A wave, a B wave and C wave. The C wave as a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We might be in a wave 4 and then a wave 5 in our support area here. Support area here. And then start from there our next bigger upside rally. I also have a second scenario here what I added, a potential triangle pattern, because we are moving sideways, and yeah, it looks a little bit like that. So from our high of the wave 1, we have an A wave, a B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave, and then start from here our next upside rally. But it wouldn't be in a wave 2 because it isn't allowed to build a triangle in a wave 2. So it would be an A, B, C structure. Yeah, I mean, it's difficult to say if it is a triangle or not. I mean, in case of the triangle, we should see a trend change where our red line is, to don't break this trend line. But it also could be this wave Z, because in this complex WXYXZ structure, we don't necessarily see a new low for that. So it could also be that the wave Z ends here where our red line is, our red trend line. So it would be difficult to say if it's a triangle or this complex WXYXZ structure. But otherwise, I expect another low. Like I said, this 5-wave move to the downside, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we need another low. So let's see how far we can go to the downside, and if we can enter our support area. I mean, that's my preferred case, to enter our support area or to see another low, because the move to the upside, what we saw, what we can see from our last low, isn't really a 5-wave move. So it's corrective. So I expect another low. That was a short Say update video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.